Hey guys, Todd here. Today we're going to install the Iron Cross 4-inch Nerf steps on this 2015 to 2020 Ford F-150 SuperCrew. Now this is the same installation whether it's black or stainless steel. For this installation I'll be using a ratchet along with a 13mm socket and a 3/4 inch socket. Let's get started. Okay, so we're starting out on the driver's side in the front. We're right behind the front tire. Along that rocker panel you're going to find 3 threaded studs from the factory. What we're going to do is locate our driver's side front bracket and line it up to those studs. Now you'll notice this bracket has 4 holes and it's only going to line up to 3 studs. Now all 4 of the brackets in our kit are going to be similar, but they are specific to what corner they go to. So this is the front driver's side bracket. This is a shorter bracket and it's going to face towards the front. If it faces towards the back, that's a mirror image. That's going to be the passenger side bracket. So now each one of these studs is going to get a flat washer, lock washer, and flange nut that's supplied with our kit. We're going to go ahead and put those on and tighten them down with a 13mm. One other thing to point out, you need to use hand tools on this. Do not use power tools because it's easy to break these studs loose from the factory locations. As you're tightening these down, go ahead and bring them to 18 foot-pounds. All right, now we're going to go ahead and move to the very back of the cab, find 3 more factory threaded studs. Locate your driver's side rear bracket and set it onto those studs. Now, let me point out something. This is a longer bracket than the front. Also, it needs to be facing towards the rear, not towards the front. Just like the front, we're going to use a supplied washer, lock washer, and flange nut and tighten it down to 18 foot-pounds. Okay, next we're going to take our tube. These are not side specific, so just grab a tube and line it up. The threaded hole on the inside of the tube is going to line up to the oval hole on the bracket. Once that's lined up, we're going to take our supplied hardware, bolt, lock washer, and flat washer, and just get it started for right now so that we can line up the other side. Once we have the other side lined up, we can go ahead and tighten down both sides and tighten them down to 60 foot-pounds. Now just repeat the same process on the opposite side, and that concludes the installation. If you have any questions, call the experts or visit us online.